Winner, nay bisun arna winner fora. Congratulations.
In the battlefield, only one wins, not two. This is what we have seen and witnessed today. May now I call upon Sir Richard to continue the ahead.
Thank you, Sir Principal. Respected Principal of Thames, Sir Tapan, and the coach there of Thames, dear team, Don Bosco and Thames. It was a nice match that we had. So thank you for coming and also winning it. So without wasting much time, may I request Miss Anima to welcome Sir Tapan with the Fulan Gamusa. Let's give a round of applause to him. May I request both the teachers, both the principals to take their place, take the seat. So congratulations, both the teams. You have performed very well. So it was a nice match. And may I call Sir Tapan, the principal of Thames, to hand over the medal to the runners-up. So before handing over the prize,
sir, my thanks to our father, this sir, and all the teachers of Don Bosco Higher Secondary School. Actually, see, I am taking this opportunity. It is a privilege for me to be here. Actually, I am extending my thanks to Don Bosco especially because they have been organizing this cricket matches over a few years I have seen, and our school, Angla English Medium High School here, because which is very important. There should be competition, at the same time there should be cooperation. Nowadays, often we forget about cooperation. We just go for competition. Actually, you see, competition will not go without cooperation. Otherwise, competition will become enmity. So, which is not here. So, that is a very good thing in this Don Bosco environment. So, well, both the teams, my congratulations to you. Yes, my school won. At the same time, you also fought very hard, Don Bosco school, because somewhere you couldn't keep the rhythm. At the beginning, you took 3 wickets, and after that, you lost the rhythm. And that is why you couldn't sustain the pressure. Better relax next time. And you have seen that in Tangla Higher Secondary playground, I am also conducting a cricket tournament, deuce ball cricket tournament. Next year also it will be there. So I hope you will participate with deuce ball at the same time along with tennis. We just go on practicing, and that will help you. Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir.
So thank you, sir, for informing us, telling us the importance of any sports. It teaches us to be cooperative.
So, it's giving the medals to the runners-up. They try their best to become the best, but stalled for by a few margins. Close to them. So they are teams from Kent. They have played very well all through the tournament, all through the series, and they are the best. For 2025. They are the champions, and we congratulate them for the hard work and for the practice that they have done in order to reach to this height. And we understand that practice makes a man perfect, and they have showed it by their performance on the field, and it was very beautiful to see the sixes, the fours, the ones that they have taken. However, both the teams have performed very well. Definitely we know as a human being that only one winner is always there. We cannot put both the legs in both the boots. So therefore, we have a winner of the champions of 2025 Asian School Cricket Tournament that was held in honor of St. Dominic Savio. It's gone to Spain, and they are the champions. So let us give them a very loud clap and appreciating for the hard work that they have done.
Thank you, Father, for handing the medals.
Sarma.
He has performed very well all through the tournament, and we go. Captain, please come forward. Let's give them a round of applause. The runners-up of Inter-School Cricket Tournament in honor of St. Dominic Savio. Don Bosco, Thames, the champions of 2025. Let's give them a round of applause. Congratulations, Thames. Congratulations, Sir Principal, Sir Coach, for your hard work, and the fruit has been seen here. Congratulations to all. So before we conclude,
To all the teachers of Don Bosco HS Tangla, having organized this match very well, and I also thank all the participants from different schools, principals, though they are not here. Thank them for their kind cooperation and having taken part in this inter-school cricket tournament in honor of Saint Dominic Savio. Most especially I thank Sir Tapan, the principal of TAME, who is present here at the final match, and his school has won the final match. And final match was played between TAME School Tangla and Don Bosco HS Tangla. It was really nice to watch. I thank all of them, and I wish ahead in the future also to have this kind of well-organized match. Thank you each and everyone, and wish you all the best in future.
देरहानायनि मालाय नै फट' लागासिनो Hey students, how much is there? Let me see. Give me also, okay?